Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by accessing Gmail and confirming you're in the right account. Archived mail stays in all mail, not in trash. Type in archive or a keyword tied to the message to surface archived items quickly. Once done, apply filters like sender, has, attachment, or a date range to reduce noise. This early search saves time because Gmail stores archived mail alongside labels and conversations, so narrowing now prevents scrolling through thousands of threads and makes the next steps precise and fast. After the search returns results, open the conversation to inspect content and metadata. You're confirming it's the right message. Look at the header for sender, date, and recipients, and check any inline labels that indicate why it was archived. Next, use the three-dot menu or more actions inside the open message to find Restore to Inbox or Move to. Make sure to scroll the thread. Older replies may be collapsed, because the full context determines whether you keep it archived or move it back. To finish, restore the message by selecting Move to Inbox or removing the archive label. This makes it appear in your primary inbox again. If you prefer organization over restoration, add a label or mark as important. Labels keep mail accessible without cluttering the main view. If the message still seems missing, check all mail and any other signed-in accounts and verify Google Workspace retention policies if applicable. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache or use Gmail Basic HTML view to rule out UI glitches when a message won't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.